Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Punishka Tutorials. In today's video, we will learn about the difference between speed and velocity. So let's begin. The speed of a body is the distance traveled by the body in a unit time interval, whereas the velocity of a body is the distance traveled by the body in a specified direction in a unit time interval. Okay. In case of speed, the speed is the distance traveled by the body in unit time. Okay, how much distance the body or the object covers in a unit time, that is speed. But in case of velocity, we have the distance covered by the body along with the direction in which the body is moving. So velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement, whereas speed is the rate of change of distance. Speed is a scalar quantity because we have only the magnitude and not the direction, and velocity is the vector quantity because we have the magnitude as well as the direction. Speed is represented by the letter U or V, and the velocity is represented by the same letter U or V along with an arrow which is placed above the letter. Let us see the formula how to calculate speed. Speed V is given by the distance traveled by the body in unit time. So speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, rate of change of distance. Velocity is the displacement upon time. Okay, here we have the distance along with the direction in which the body is moving. So velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Speed is always positive. Velocity can be positive or negative depending on the direction of motion, because if the body is moving in the opposite direction, okay, in that case the velocity will become negative. So negative magnitude implies the opposite direction in which the body is moving. Speed. In one round of circular path, the average speed is not 0. Okay, so if a body is moving in a circle or the circular path, in that case the average speed of the body is not equal to 0. In case of velocity, in one round of circular path, the average velocity is 0. Okay, because in case of speed is actually the rate of change of distance. Okay, if a body is moving from point A to B and again the body came back to point A, in that case the distance will be from A to B plus the distance between from B to A. Whereas in case of velocity, the distance traveled from A to B and B to A, in this case the distance between the initial position and the final position will be 0. So the rate of change of displacement will be equal to 0 in case of circular path. So the velocity of the body in a circular path, or the average velocity of a body along a circular path, will be 0. Now the SI unit of speed is meter per second. The SI unit of velocity is also meter per second. The CGS unit of speed is centimeter per second, and CGS unit of velocity is centimeter per second. So this was the difference between the speed and velocity. If you have any doubt in the video, please comment it in the comment section. Thank you.